Do you know that birds sometimes pick up cigarette butts thrown away by humans and not to smoke them? Whenever a bird sees someone smoking, it may wait for the person to throw the cigarette butt away, then carry it to its nest. The reason is surprising. Cigarettes contain nicotine, which acts like a natural pesticide. Nicotine can help reduce parasites such as mites and other harmful insects inside the nest. By placing cigarette butts in their nests, some birds try to protect their chicks from these parasites. However, scientists also warn that while nicotine may reduce pests, cigarette waste can still be harmful to birds due to toxic chemicals. Do you know that some children accidentally found extremely valuable treasures and became famous overnight? Number 1. In 2009, during a metal detecting trip, 4-year-old James insisted that his father let him use the metal detector. Interestingly, his father had been metal detecting for 15 years and had never found anything valuable. But just 2 minutes after handing it to James, the device started beeping loudly. At first, they thought it was just scrap metal. However, after digging, they discovered a very old gold necklace buried underground. Reports claimed it was worth millions. Number 2. In 1995, a 3-year-old child was watching a dinosaur movie on TV. After the movie, he told his father that while playing in the dirt, he had found what looked like a dinosaur egg. His father assumed it was just a stone shaped like an egg. But when they examined it closely, it turned out not to be an ordinary rock. It was believed to be a real fossilized egg. Further examination suggested it was around 150 million years old. You know, these are some of the most satisfying videos in the world? Number 5. When a water-filled balloon is popped, the way the water bursts and freezes for a split second in midair looks absolutely awesome, and you just can't stop wondering what will happen next. Number 4. Look at how the desert sand moves along with a man as he walks forward, almost flowing with him, creating a strangely satisfying view. Number 3. When stacks of glass plates are compressed under a hydraulic press, the slow crushing and perfect shattering look incredibly mesmerizing. Number 2. Watch how this soft clay stretches and folds just like dough. It looks so smooth, squishy, and extremely relaxing. And number 1. If you carefully observe inside a moving metro train, the coaches appear to bend and twist in a way that creates a fascinating optical illusion, making it look almost unreal.